Hello dear friends, this is Dr. Diptesh Patel and I'll be teaching you jet propulsion and aircraft engineering. Today in this lecture, I'm going to cover a chapter called Solid and Liquid Propulsion System, and this is the lecture number 3 of this chapter. For this lecture, we are going to cover certain subtopics such as propellant binder, burning rate and burning rate loss, and various factors that affect the burning rate. So now let's begin with the propellant binders. Now, propellant binders and is a very important ingredient of composite solid propellants. Propellant binders is mostly used in solid propellant system, and it play an important role to create the bonding or bond between the oxidizer and the fuels. Approximately 10 to 15% of the composite solid propellant is consist of binders. The binder largely determines the mechanical properties of the propellant. Binders used for propellants are organic polymers which contain mostly carbon and hydrocarbon, so it can burn along with the mixture of fuels and oxidizers, which means that it is a fuel which is chemically and physically compatible with all other ingredients. The most essential requirement of an ideal solid propellant binder are: first, the binder should have reactive functional groups which can chemically bond with curing agents and form elastomeric network which can provide a compatible matrix system. The second requirement of the propellant binders is the binder should be hydrocarbon type such that it can provide stable low molecular weight combustion product and it can burn along with the mixture. The third requirement: low glass transitional temperature is preferred for the binder so that it can withstand large spectrum of stress transients in operation. And the last essential requirement of the propellant binders is physical and chemical compatibility of the binder with other ingredients and stability of the binder system, so the overall performance would not get affected and we have a proper thrust of the engine. Now let's discuss what are the various binders that is used for solid propellant system, and some of them are mentioned here, such as polypropylene glycol, polyester, hydroxyl terminated, natural rubber, polybutadiene, polysulfide binders, and polytherenes. There are a different kind of the binders are used nowadays for the solid propellant system. The next topic is a burning rate. The rocket motor's operation and design depends greatly on the combustion chamber characteristics of the propellant and its burning rate. Now, burning rate is basically a function of the propellant composition and it plays a very important role on the overall performance of the rocket engine. Now, the burning rate can be increased by combustion chamber pressure, then initial temperature of the solid propellant prior to start, combustion gas temperature, velocity of gas flow parallel to burning surface, and motor motion. The burning rate can be determined by three different ways, namely, the first one is standard stand burner, often called as Crawford burners. Second one, small scale ballistic evolution motors. And the third one is full scale motors with good instrumentation. The burning rate can also be measured by electric signals from embedded wires, by electronic waves, or by optical means. Then after, we are going to look what is burning rate law. The burning rate law for the combustion of solid rocket propellant system is stated to be Willis law, where you can see the burning rate R is equal to A into P raised to N. The burning rate changes with pressure P raised to the pressure index N. The burning rate R is empirically expressed as being proportional to the pressure P raised to the pressure index N. So basically the burning rate R is equal to A into P raised to N, where A is equal to constant of proportionality, P is a pressure, and N is a pressure index. The pressure index N of the burning rate is stated to be independent of pressure P and temperature T. Pressure index can be calculated by curve fitting, and it is normally taken as 0.32. The constant of proportionality A for this law is said to be dependent on the temperature T of the propellant during burning. Now, let's move forward and let's go through the various factors that affect the burning rate. The burning rate of the solid rocket propellant is one of the most important factors that affect the overall performance of the rocket engine, and therefore we need to be understood like what are the various factors that influence the burning rate of the rocket engine. So here we have mentioned the four different factors that greatly affect the burning rate. The first one is combustion chamber pressure. Now the burning rate is usually affected by the combustion chamber pressure because of the burning of grain in the combustion chamber. The relation between the chamber pressure and the burning rate is given by the St. Robert laws, which states that the chamber pressure is directly proportional to the burning rate, and they have mentioned the formula, which is small r is equal to A into P suffix C raised to N, where R is a burn rate, A is a burn rate constant, Pc is a pressure of combustion chamber, and N is a pressure exponent or pressure index. The burning rate is being directly or linearly proportional to the chamber pressure. Now, second factor is the initial temperature of the solid propellant. Temperature affects the rate of chemical reaction, and thus the initial temperature of the propellant grain influences the burning rate. The third one is velocity of gas flow or combustion gas velocity. The propellant burning rate caused by the high velocity flow of the combustion chamber gases over the burning propellant surface is increased. The augmentation of burning rate is done by the increase of combustion gas velocity, and the process of augmentation is called erosive burning. Erosive burning increases the mass flow and thus also the chamber pressure and thrust during the early portion of the burning. Since the propellant is consumed more rapidly during the erosive burning, there will reduction of flow and thrust at the end of burning. The last factor is motor motion or motor acceleration and speed. Enhancement of burning rate can be expected in vehicles that spin the rocket motors about longitudinal axis or have high lateral or longitudinal acceleration, as occurs typically in anti-missile rockets. The burning rate also influenced by the embedding of wires or other shape of good metal heat conductors in the propellant grain, which increases the burning rate. So this is all at the moment. If you have any doubt, you can write down in the comment box. Thank you very much.